Hey guys, Christmas is around the corner. Let's make Christmas cookies today. For this, we will need half cup butter and 1/3 cup powdered sugar. Now mix butter and powdered sugar together. Use room temperature butter. Once you get a creamy texture, add 1 yolk and 1.5 teaspoon vanilla essence. I am using a spatula. You can use dough mixer as well. Once you get the creamy texture, add all-purpose flour into it. Mix the all-purpose flour with a spatula. If you're finding it hard, you can use your hand as well. Looks like dough is ready. Now we'll split this dough into 20 equal size balls. So the cookie balls are ready. Now roll balls in a plate of white sugar to coat. Roll again between your palms and flatten balls lightly with your fingers. Place these cookies on a silicone-lined baking sheet. To make thumbprint cookies with jam, poke a well into each cookies using the end of thick spoon dusted with powdered sugar or using one of your fingers. Fill cookies with fruit jam. I used homemade berry jam. You can use any jam. Once you are done with filling jam, tap baking sheet against the counter to let jam set. Bake it for 15 minutes at 320 Fahrenheit. Transfer the baked cookies to the cooling rack and dust it with powdered sugar. So guys, give this melt in the mouth Christmas cookies a try if you are looking for easy and amazing recipe with few ingredients. Thank you and happy holidays.